Haneda Airport runway collision. On January 2, 2024, a major accident occurred at Tokyo's Haneda Airport. A Japanese passenger aircraft collided with a smaller Coast Guard plane on the runway. The Coast Guard aircraft was preparing for takeoff when it collided with the jetliner, resulting in the deaths of all 5 crew members aboard the smaller plane. Fortunately, the passengers on the commercial flight survived. The accident was attributed to miscommunication and a failure in the coordination between ground control and the planes on the runway. Northwestern Air Crash. On January 23, 2024, a Northwestern Air plane crashed near a remote area in Canada, killing all 6 people aboard. The aircraft was on a domestic route when it went down unexpectedly, with initial reports suggesting bad weather and poor visibility. Weather-related factors combined with potential mechanical failures played a role in the crash. Iranian helicopter crash. On May 19, 2024, a helicopter in Iran crashed, resulting in the deaths of several people, including President Ibrahim Raisi's officials. The crash occurred under unclear circumstances but is believed to be related to mechanical failure and adverse weather conditions. Malawi Vice President Saulos Chilima plane crash. On June 10, 2024, a Dornier 228 aircraft carrying Vice President Saulos Chilima of Malawi and several others crashed in the Chikangawa mountain range. All 10 people aboard, including former First Lady Patricia Shanil Muluzi, died in the crash. Poor visibility, weather conditions, and potential spatial disorientation led to the crash. Saria Airlines crash. On July 24, 2024, Saria Airlines Flight 207, a CRJ-200 aircraft, crashed in Nepal during its descent. The plane burst into flames after hitting the ground, killing 18 people on board. Preliminary reports indicate that the crash was caused by a combination of pilot error, poor visibility, and possible technical malfunction during landing. Vopas Regional Flight 2283. A Vopas Airlines regional flight crashed in Brazil on August 11, 2024. The plane was en route from Rio de Janeiro to São Paulo when it crashed during a storm, killing all 62 passengers and crew. The crash was largely attributed to weather conditions, specifically severe thunderstorms that caused the plane to lose control. Thailand Cessna Caravan crash. On August 23, 2024, a Cessna Caravan 208B crashed in northern Thailand, killing all 9 people aboard. The aircraft was a small regional flight. Investigations suggest that mechanical failure was the likely cause of the crash. Mechanical failure, possibly in the engine or control systems, combined with human error, led to the crash. Piper PA-42-1000 crash in Brazil. On December 22, 2024, a twin-engine Piper PA-42-1000 crashed in Brazil, killing 10 people and injuring 17 on the ground. The crash happened shortly after takeoff. The exact cause is still under investigation, but initial reports suggest engine failure during the early stages of flight. Kazakhstan-Azerbaijan Airlines Flight J-28243 crash. On December 25, 2024, an Azerbaijan Airlines flight crashed near Aktau, Kazakhstan. The crash resulted in 39 fatalities and 29 survivors. The investigation is ongoing, but it's believed that mechanical issues may have caused the crash. Preliminary findings suggest that the plane may have experienced engine failure, leading to loss of control. Jeju Air Boeing 737-800 crash in South Korea. On December 29, 2024, a Jeju Air Boeing 737-800 crashed in Muon County, South Korea, killing all 179 people on board. The plane had been experiencing technical issues during its approach for landing, leading to the fatal crash. The exact cause is still under investigation, but the crash appears to be linked to technical issues and possible loss of control during landing.